हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक। आज हम अनबॉक्स करने वाले हैं Lenovo का ये IdeaCentre which is an all-in-one PC। इसमें we have i5 9th generation processor, 8 GB of RAM, 512 GB of SSD and 1 TB HDD। So without taking any much of your time, let's start unwrapping this and let's start unboxing। Alright, okay, so here's the thing. This is the actual all-in-one PC. This is the keyboard mouse set. I'll show you from the inside. As you can see, this is the mouse, the batteries and the keyboards in here. And then we have all the cables and everything. I'm just going to keep this aside for now. Alright. This is how the actual machine looks. Beauty at its best. I'm going to tell you about the features of this machine. As you can see, it's very strong. You can see the elegantness. Power buttons over here from the back. It's much clearer. Here's the power button. And guess what? You have a wireless charger right at the top of the system. Right here. Okay. You have a webcam over here. You have to just gently pull it up and you can see it in the front like this. Beautiful. Now let's plug in all the cables and see how it starts up. Okay. This is the adapter and this is the power supply. Then we have some warranty information in this paper. We just need to put this one in this. And I think we're good to go. I'll just unwrap this a little bit. The connection goes here. It's universal. You can put it both ways, up and down. Now, I'm also going to set up the keyboard and mouse so that I can easily access it. So this is how the keyboard and mouse comes. This is the good Lenovo brand's keyboard. And then we have batteries over here. Then we have receiver in here. This battery again. Now let's take out the keyboard. Wonderful. As you can see over here, we have the keyboard. And guess what Lenovo gives you? It gives you, by default, a good silicone grip above the keyboard. If you want to keep them safe from the dust and everything, you know. Basic thing, right? And then we have this thing set up. I'm just gonna put it in the batteries. It's very simple, guys. This thing doesn't wholly come out. You just have to push it, pull it, and then you have to put it this way. Okay, putting in the batteries. Okay, this looks done. These are the stand, guys. Just have to do it like this, and then in the right. You can see it opens from here. It's very tricky. This the small bottom part, you just have to put your nail over there. It opens right up. Now looks good. Just have to put in the battery, put the top of the mouse, and you're good to go. Time to plug the receiver in. Don't forget, this is required. Now you plug this in at the back of the system where we have multiple ports. You can see one HDMI port, one LAN port, again one HDMI port, then we have USB 2.0 ports, and then we have one USB 3.0 port. I'm just going to plug this one in to USB 2.0 because I may need 3.0 for data transmission and everything. Now everything looks set up, guys. Let's see how the system boots up. Power buttons over there at the back, you just have to press. You can see this looks beautiful. Just look at the display. Look at the infinity edges you can see. It just looks elegant. There are hardly any bezels on the top, on the left and right. You just get a little bezel at the bottom. And this one right here is the camera. It just gently comes up. I'm going to put this down for now. gonna do this camera. Okay, look here, the camera looks wonderful and beautiful. So this is about it. Let's see what's the configuration we have inside this. I'm just gonna turn this off and then we'll see the properties. Alright, here's it guys. i5 9th generation 1.8 gigahertz, and then we have 8 gigs of RAM, 64-bit operating system of course, and Windows 10 Home. Now let's see if we have any graphic modules inside this. Yes, we do. We have Intel UHD graphics 630, which used to come in around MacBooks around 2015 and 16. It's onboard 4 GB of graphic processing unit. We have 256 GB of SSD, that's right here, and then we have 1 TB of HDD. We have 8 gigs of RAM, and the CPU, as I mentioned, has 6 cores, 6 logical processors, and the cache memory is up to 9 MB L3 cache memory. Alright, I'm going to close this. Okay, not bad. The sound looks good, impressive, amazing. Right, yeah, that's it. Word, Excel, PowerPoint. This is basically good for a business use, for business purpose. Alright guys, so this was it about this system. If you want to see more of these content, that is more of IT gadgets, more IT devices, that you want to see stuff like this, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and most importantly comment if you have any doubts regarding this system. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, that is EasyGo Solutions. This is Ashutosh Kri. I'm signing off for today. I'm going to see you in the next video. Have a great day.